Welcome. In this video, you'll learn how to export all your chat history from the Telegram app on your PC using the latest update. Whether you want to back up important conversations, save memories, or keep a record for work, this step-by-step guide will make the process simple and quick. Let's get started. First, open the Telegram app on your computer. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in, find the chat you want to export. This can be a private conversation, a group, or even a channel. Click on the chat to open it. At the top of the chat window, you'll see the name of the contact or group. Click on their name to open the contact or group info panel. Here, you'll find more details about the chat and several options. Now, look for the 3 dots in the upper right corner of this panel. Click on these dots to open a drop-down menu. From the list of options, select Export Chat History. This will open the Export Settings window. In the Export Settings, you can choose exactly what you want to include in your backup. You'll see options for messages, photos, videos, voice messages, files, and more. For a complete backup, check all the available options. You can also set a size limit for media files if you need to manage storage space, or leave it at the maximum to include everything. Once you've selected all your preferences, click the Export button. Telegram will start preparing your chat history. If it's your first time exporting, you may need to wait up to 24 hours for security reasons. After the waiting period, return to the same chat, repeat the steps, and click Export again to download your data. Your exported chat history will be saved as an HTML file on your computer. You can open this file in any web browser to view your entire conversation, including all media and attachments. And that's it! You've successfully exported your Telegram chat history on PC. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.